In this ukulele video, I'm going to show you why you need to stop strumming your ukulele this way. All right, hi, I'm Terry Carter, and welcome to ukelikethepros. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the ukulele tutorials, reviews, any these kind of cool content videos that we're putting out there. Not only for ukulele, but guitarlele and baritone as well. So this is something I see ukulele players doing. I see guitar players doing. Any really string instrument where you strum is the wrong way to strum. The wrong way to strum. I'm going to show you exactly what the right way to strum is right here in this video. So this is really simple. It's going to take some work on your part, but once you get it down, your strumming is going to just sound so much better, so much smoother, and eventually so much quicker as well. All right, so I want you to just watch my hand here when I'm strumming. All right, what do you notice? Right here, loose wrist. The strumming comes from the wrist area, okay? Once you can get that down, your strumming is going to go to a whole new level. What is a mistake that you're probably making? Right here, you're strumming from the elbow, and notice what happens if I do that. One, when I strum from the elbow, it makes my wrist stiff. And when my wrist is stiff, it sounds stiff or bad. It just sounds bad. And so that's a habit we get into for whatever reason, and we have to learn that although our elbow may move a little bit, it's all right here in this very loose wrist. And notice how fast you can go once you're able to loosen up and relax that wrist, okay? So if I do it a little slower. Notice how nice that sounds. It just sounds smooth, smells like butter. It's going to make your playing jump to a whole new level. So that's what you need to work on. Stop strumming with your elbow. Start strumming with your wrist. That's going to open up a whole new world for you. So anyway, thanks for being here. If you're into learning more about the ukulele, getting your playing to a higher level, don't forget to check out my ukelikethepros.com. That's my instructional site where we have courses and memberships that are going to help you become the player that you want to be.